Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can apply the effects, how you can change the effects, and the Adobe Firefly text to image option. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to our account, and after going to the account, we have to provide the prompt here that what you want to create, which type of image you want to create. So as you can see, I have provided this prompt here, and now I'm going to the effect option. So as you can see, now we have to choose the which type of effect you want. For example, I want the digital art. So you have to choose that. If you want to choose the color tune, you can also do that like the cool tune, golden, whichever suits you. So you have to choose that. For example, I'm going to warm tune. And after that, as you can see, if you want to choose the lighting, you can also do that like the back lighting. These all types of lightings are provided here. For example, I'm going to choose the like dramatic lighting. And the camera angle, if you want to choose this camera angle, these all types of angles are provided here. But I'm not going to choose this. So simply what we have to do, we have to click on the generate. And after clicking on the generate, it will generate the image according our applied effects. So let's see what we are getting. So as you can see now the image is generated. If you want to open this, you can also do that. So I'm going to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now the image is generated according to our options like the dramatic light and the warm color and the option all are provided here. If you want to download this, you can also download this. If you want to edit this, you can also edit this. So in this way, you can apply the effects and the Adobe Firefly text to image option. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can apply this effect. So see you guys in the next video.